Today's lesson we're going to be going over group units and saving those group units and then using them in another space in the design or in another design. So for instance, if you've made a unit, let's say you've made this open unit, a normal wall unit and a one unit, and you're wanting to save that group and use it in another design, because I've actually used 3 different units there and it's taken a little while to do. But if you wanted to just make it as one unit, this is how you would do it. The first thing that you would do is go into a view where you can see it properly. So let's go into our elevation view and get a look at that. So we right click and go to elevation. This will take us so that we can see all the units that we need. We'll need that open unit, that wall unit, and the one units. And now we need to highlight the whole lot of those. The way to do that is just to, instead of clicking on them, or you can click on it, you click once, you hold down Shift, you click on the next one, and then the last one, which is the one unit. And now you've highlighted those 3 units. Now what you need to do is make sure that your cursor is on the side, basically on the left hand side. So if you're designing in a clockwise direction, it needs to be on the left hand side, so where the cursor starts. So you would right click, attach cursor to that glass unit, and there's a cursor there. And now you can save this unit as a group unit. So let's go to File and Save Unit Group. So you click on that, and it will come up with a Save Unit Group little pop-up box. And what you do is you put in the description. So you can say open wall one unit. And let's put spaces so that we can see it properly in that. So the description, it's an open wall one unit, and then you press OK. And now it's saved it as a group unit. So let's see if we can put it in. Let's delete this unit, or these 3 units here, these separate ones, and then add in that unit again. So let's delete that. And now once we've deleted that, now we can go and add it in. I'm just going to go to my plan view, and we can have a look at it better there. So you right click on plan, and this is where we're going to be putting it in. The cursor's already in the right place. So you click on your plus sign, and instead of going to your cupboards icon, you click on this little button that has a drop down menu, and it's got group units. So you click on those, and there's the list on the left hand side of the group units that you've saved. So there's your open wall one unit. So you click on that and you press add. It's going to ask you if you're wanting to use the styles or the colors from this design or from the design that you've saved the group in. So I'm going to say from room default, or from unit group existing style. So that's the one where it's from the old design, or if it's from this design, you would click on that. So I'm going to click OK, and it will add those in there. It's asking me for the color. I'm going to keep it as default and press OK. It's saying there's a clash just because we've got some fixtures there already. And that's it. We've added that in. Let's go and have a look in elevation and then perspective view. Right click, elevation, and there is it. The highlighted piece in red, we've added that. That's our group units. I'm just going to click outside the wall to unhighlight that, and that's how easy it is to do. Let's go into our perspective. Right click, perspective, and we can see that now. And there we have it. Our units has been added in the same as it was, and we can now use that in any other design. It will always be under your displayed group units in Add Palette. And you can add as many as you like. You can create these MIDI units, you can put those in, and it's a very handy tool if you're wanting to create your own catalog and make up your own exotic units. Thank you very much for listening to this tutorial.